Hi, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you the items that I got from Dollar General. The toys, there are some toys that did surprise penny and they are a penny. And I didn't go out the first day that this happened, which was on Tuesday. I went out today, Wednesday, and just hoping to find some things. I actually just heard about it. So let me show you what I got. This here actually is probably not a surprise penny. It has a blue dot, so I'm assuming this is when the blue dot's pennied. And this will also be an exception. I found this in one of the boxes. It was yellow dot, so I decided to scan it, and it came up a penny. But these are the ones that were a penny that didn't have any dots or any other color codes. This here, the color and erase. I basically was scanning at random. I couldn't remember all that was. I just figured, I was scanning things that didn't have a code, a color code, other than the stuff that I knew may or may not still be a penny, like those were. So this is one of them. I found this in a container. Basically, everything that I found for the most part was up high, so it was a job. I'm tall, so I'm happy that I'm tall because I was able to reach up and check things. And so this was in one of the containers at the top of the store. And so I was able to find all of those in one box. This was in front of the store, which I thought was really cute. The keychain, little like fuzzy little thingy. This here again was at top, the hollow. Only found one of these. This was in a regular shelf, and I think I remember seeing this on a video, one of the videos. So I scanned that. I've never seen these things before, but again, they were way up high, and I was looking, but these things came in a box. There were several different types. All of them are not a penny, so because I scanned each one of them. I'm glad I did, because some of them, I think they were coming up like $5 and some cents. So then my favorite find was the Legos. I didn't think Legos would go. This did. Again, this was at top. And this is Lego Friends. I'll show the UPC. If you want to see UPCs for any of the other ones, I'll gladly show it. This is the only one that I saw that was a penny, so I'll let you get a good glimpse of what it has on here. They had other Lego Friends in the regular aisle. This is the only one that I saw up top, and this was the only one that was a penny. And the last is this little block thingy. Creative Kids, a wooden block. Like I said, I scanned a bunch of stuff, but this is all that I could find. But I'm happy with my small haul. I just wanted to share just in case you are still going out. I'm sure there's still a lot of stuff out there. Thanks for watching. Have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section.